Here we are at the end of our very first day at Jackson Spring Arbor College. It's been a great day. We've learned a lot with the robot. We've made a lot of changes. They're actually kicking us out right now, so we got to make this short. I'm sure Max is going to put in a whole lot of clips of the fun we had today. They're literally kicking us out early because of the snow. We will be back tomorrow morning doing a lot of updates to the robot and then going back out on the field and competing and see if we can get into finals. So stay tuned. We'll do another special tomorrow afternoon after competitions and let you know how things went. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.
Team Fridgebot.